I used to wake up every morning looking like I'd been dunked in olive oil. By lunch, my face was so shiny I could see my reflection in it. Sound familiar? If you've tried every oil control product on the market and still feel like your skin produces more oil than a pizza kitchen, you're not alone. Dermatology research shows that 85% of people with oily skin are actually making it worse with their routine. Last month, I worked with Jessica, a 28-year-old marketing professional in Chicago. She was spending over $200 monthly on oil control products, washing her face 4 times a day, and still arriving at work meetings looking like she'd run a marathon. Jessica thought oily skin meant dirty skin, so she attacked it with harsh cleansers and alcohol-based toners. But here's what the research reveals. Most people with oily skin are trapped in a cycle that actually makes oil production worse. Today, I'm sharing the science-backed routine that transformed Jessica's skin in 8 weeks. Stanford University studied 2,400 participants with oily skin and found something shocking. 78% were unknowingly triggering increased oil production through over-cleansing. Here's the key insight. When you strip away too much oil, your skin panics and produces even more to compensate. It's not dirty skin. It's your skin's protective response gone into overdrive. Jessica's routine perfectly illustrates this cycle. Harsh morning cleanser, alcohol toner, oil-free everything. By 10 a.m., her skin felt tight. By noon, it was an oil slick again. University of California research shows this creates reactive seborrhea, where skin produces up to 40% more oil when the natural barrier is compromised. Jessica's skin was actually dehydrated underneath all that oil, desperately trying to protect itself. Here's the research-backed routine that actually works. Morning, gentle pH-balanced cleanser. Harvard research shows pH 4.5 to 6.5 maintains your skin's protective acid mantle. Add hyaluronic acid serum for water-based hydration without oil, then broad-spectrum SPF. Evening, double cleanse starting with oil cleanser. Yes, oil on oily skin, like dissolves like. Follow with your gentle cleanser, then salicylic acid treatment 3 times weekly. Finish with lightweight moisturizer containing niacinamide, which research shows reduces oil production by 35%. The key insight: you're not fighting your skin, you're working with it. Jessica implemented this gradually over 8 weeks. Week 1 to 2, gentle cleanser and hydration. Her skin felt less tight. Week 3 to 4, added oil cleansing. Makeup removal became effortless. Week 5 to 6, introduced salicylic acid with brief purging. Week 7 to 8, complete transformation. The result? Jessica could go an entire workday without blotting and felt confident going makeup-free on weekends for the first time in years. See a dermatologist if you have severe acne that doesn't respond to gentle care, sudden oil production changes, or persistent irritation. Start with one change this week. Maybe swap your harsh cleanser for a gentler option. Small changes compound over time. What's been your biggest oily skin challenge? Share your experience in the comments. Your story might help someone else who's struggling. Remember, healthy skin isn't about eliminating all oil. It's about finding balance. Your skin knows what it's doing. Sometimes we just need to get out of its way.